Have you ever walked into someone's house and thought, how is this place so clean all the time? No mess on the counter, no pile of clothes on the chair, no dishes sitting in the sink. Everything looks like it belongs on the cover of a magazine, and you just stand there thinking, what is wrong with these people? Or maybe, what is wrong with me? Because let's be honest, most of us clean when guests are coming over, or when we finally can't find anything anymore under all the stuff. But there is a small group of people out there who clean their house every single day without fail. And today we are going to talk about who these people really are, what is actually going on in their mind, and why, once you understand them, you might just want to become one of them. Keep watching, because what you are about to hear is going to completely change the way you see cleaning, your home, and even yourself. Let's start by understanding who we are really talking about. People who clean their house every day are not some rare, strange species. They are not people with too much free time or people who have nothing better to do. In fact, most of them are incredibly busy, working full-time jobs, raising kids, managing responsibilities, and they still make cleaning a daily habit. The difference between them and everyone else is not time. It is not energy. It is a mindset. These people have made peace with one simple truth. A clean home does not happen by accident. It happens on purpose, every single day, one small action at a time. These are the people who wipe down the kitchen counter right after cooking. They fold the blanket as soon as they get off the couch. They put things back where they belong the moment they are done using them. They do not wait for the mess to build up, because they know something that most people have not figured out yet. It is always easier to maintain than it is to fix, and that one idea alone is life-changing when you really let it sink in. Now here is where it gets really interesting. A study published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that people who described their homes as cluttered or messy had significantly higher levels of the stress hormone cortisol throughout the day compared to people who described their homes as restful and clean. Think about that for a second. Your physical environment is directly affecting your stress levels, not just your mood, but your body chemistry. The researchers found that the longer people lived in a cluttered space, the more fatigued and depressed they felt. On the other hand, people who kept their spaces clean and organized reported feeling more focused, more in control, and even more productive. So, when someone tells you they feel better after cleaning, they are not just saying that. Science is backing them up. Your home is not just a place you live. It is a place that is constantly sending messages to your brain, and those messages either help you or hurt you every single day. Okay, stop for a moment, because right now you might be thinking, sure, that all sounds great, but I am tired after work. I have kids running around. I barely have time to eat properly. How am I supposed to clean every day? And that is exactly the myth that needs to be broken right here, right now. Daily cleaning does not mean spending 3 hours scrubbing every corner of your house. That is not what we are talking about at all. People who clean every day are not doing a deep clean every single morning. They are doing small, simple 5 to 10 minute habits that stop the mess from ever getting out of control. They wipe the sink after brushing their teeth. They quickly sweep the kitchen floor after dinner. They spend 2 minutes putting things back in place before going to bed. That is it. That is the whole secret. And those 2 minutes every night save them from the 2-hour nightmare that everyone else goes through on the weekend. If you have been waiting for a big cleaning motivation, this is it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your whole home transforms. Here is something that daily cleaners understand deeply. Your environment shapes your behavior. When your home is clean and organized, you naturally start making better decisions in other areas of your life too. You sleep better because your bedroom is not a chaotic mess. You eat better because your kitchen is clean and inviting. You feel more motivated to work because your space is not draining your energy before you even begin. It is like a domino effect that starts with a clean counter and ends with a completely different version of yourself. People who clean every day also tend to feel a stronger sense of pride and ownership over their home. It is their space, and they take care of it. That daily act of cleaning is not just about removing dust. It is about respecting where you live. And when you respect your environment, you start to respect yourself more. You start to feel like someone who has their life together, not because everything is perfect, but because you are choosing every single day to take care of what is yours. Now let's talk about the other side, because This is a conversation that includes all of us. Most people do not clean every day, not because they are lazy, but because they are overwhelmed. The mess feels too big. They do not know where to start. They clean one room, and by the time they are done, another room is already a disaster. It feels pointless, and so they give up and wait until the weekend, or until company is coming, or until they simply cannot take it anymore. This cycle is exhausting, and it keeps repeating because nothing ever actually changes. The problem is never the cleaning itself. The problem is the system, or rather, the complete lack of one. Daily cleaners have a system. They know what gets done in the morning, what gets done in the evening, and what gets done throughout the day without even thinking about it. It is automatic. It is routine. And routines, once built, require almost no willpower at all. You do not have to motivate yourself to brush your teeth every morning, right? You just do it. Daily cleaning works exactly the same way once you build the habit. The hardest part is never the cleaning. It is the deciding to start. So how do you actually become someone who cleans every day? You start with one habit. Just one. Pick the thing that bothers you the most. Maybe it is the pile of dishes in the sink, or the shoes scattered by the door, or the cluttered nightstand next to your bed. Fix that one thing every single day for 2 weeks straight. Do not try to change everything at once. Just that one thing every day without exception. After 2 weeks, it will start to feel natural. Then you add another small habit, and then another. Before you know it, your home is staying clean almost on its own. Not because you spent hours cleaning, but because you built a system of tiny habits that work together silently in the background of your life. The people you admire for their clean homes did not get there overnight. They built their habits slowly, one decision at a time. They chose to wipe the counter instead of leaving it. They chose to put the clothes away instead of throwing them on the chair. Small choices, made consistently, create massive results over time. And you are completely capable of doing the exact same thing. So here is what I want you to do right now. Pick one small cleaning habit and commit to it starting today. Just one. And if this video made you think about your own home, or made you see cleaning in a completely new way, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this content reach more people who need to hear exactly this. And drop a comment below. Tell me what is the one area of your home you are going to start with. I read every single comment, and I would love to know where you are starting your journey.